All right, got the boat all taped up, about to shoot the black. And I'm hoping I got enough clear gel coat to shoot it. I'm hoping I got enough red glitter, but we're gonna find out real quick. Got marine gel coat from Marine One. Pretty good guy. He answered all my questions. I got some from a buddy, some Sicily drop zone sand from Fort Bragg. And I got some black metal flakes from Did Spade. And they sent me a little sticker too. I got my red over here, red metal flake. And this is without wax. Last one will get the wet wax. All right, stand by.